In this video, I will be showing you how to fix error code 403 in Deepseek. Let's get started. First, I open my Google Chrome browser and type Deepseek login into the search bar, then press enter. Once the search results load, I click on the official Deepseek link to go to the chat page. As you can see, the site loads up, but if you're encountering the 403 forbidden error, we need to clear our browsing data. To do this, I move my mouse to the top right corner of the browser and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down options, I find and click on Settings. This opens up a new Chrome Settings tab. On the left-hand menu, I click on Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security section, I click on the option that says Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up window appears with various checkboxes. I click the drop-down for the time range and change it to All Time, to make sure everything is completely cleared out. I ensure that browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, download history, and site settings are all checked. Now, I go ahead and click on the Delete Data button at the bottom right of the pop-up window. It will take a few moments to process and delete all the temporary files, cookies, and cache that might be causing the connection block. Once the data is successfully cleared, I switch back to my Deepseek tab. Sometimes, browser extensions, especially VPNs, can trigger the 403 error. To check this, I click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner again, hover my cursor over Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. This opens up the page displaying all of my installed browser extensions. I scroll down to look for any active VPN extensions. I find the VPN for Chrome extension and toggle the blue switch to turn it off. Disabling your VPN or any restrictive ad blockers can help establish a clean connection to Deepseek servers. With the VPN disabled, I return to the Deepseek tab. To ensure that there are no remaining cached conflicts, it's best to try accessing the site in an incognito window. I click on the 3 dots in the top right corner once more and select New Incognito Window. A fresh, dark incognito browser tab opens up. In the address bar, I type in Deepseek login and press enter. I click on the first search result, which is the official Deepseek website. Once the page loads, I am greeted by the login screen. I click on the Login with Google button at the bottom. I enter my Google email address in the input field and click Next. Next, I carefully type in my Google account password and click the Next button. The page will redirect us back to Deepseek, asking for authorization. I click the blue Continue button to proceed. The page loads, and as you can see, we have successfully logged in and bypassed the 403 error, giving us full access to the Deepseek chat interface. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.